Good morning, guys. Today I am going to discuss with you about platelets. Platelets is also called as thrombocytes. Platelets, this structure and composition. Platelets are small plate-like. Thrombocytes are otherwise called as thrombo means clot, cytes means cells. Size is smallest blood cells, 2 to 4 micrometer. Shape is spherical or oval discoid. Volume is 5 to 8 cubic micrometer. Color is colorless. Structure and composition. It takes Leishmanian staining, faint blue cytoplasm with purple. This is a reddish purple granules. Nucleus is absent in platelets. Electronic microscopic structure of platelets shows cell membrane, microtubule, cytoplasm. This is the microtubules, dense tubules, surface containing tubules. This is the coat, glycogen, mitochondria. This is the alpha granule. This is dense granule. Let us see the events that are involved in hemostasis. It includes platelet adhesiveness. Platelet adhesiveness means whenever comes in contact with any wet or rough surface, gets activated and stick to that surface. The factors responsible for this adhesiveness are collagen, thrombin, adenosine diphosphate, thromboxane, A2, calcium ion and von Willebrand factor. Von Willebrand factor is a glycoprotein. This is the injured epithelium. This is the collagen binding site. This is the von Willebrand factor. This is also glycoprotein LB. This is the activated platelet. Next comes to platelet aggregation and platelet agglutination. Platelet aggregation. Property to stick to each other. These factors that are responsible for this aggregation are adenosine diphosphate, thromboxane, A2. Next comes to platelet agglutination. This includes property of clubbing together of platelets. This is due to platelet agglutinins. Next comes to mechanism of coagulation. What are the factors which are responsible for the coagulation? Is role of vitamin K. Vitamin K is required for the synthesis of prothrombin, factor 9 and 10 by the liver. Hence, these factors are called as vitamin dependent procoagulants. Role of liver. Liver synthesizes procoagulants like thrombin, fibrinogen, factors 5, 7, 9, 10, 11. Role of blood vessels. Releases substances like plasminogen, activators, tissue factors, von Willebrand factor. Next, role of von Willebrand factor. Acts as a bridge between the included vascular endothelium and platelets. Acts as a carrier of factor 8. This is the pathway. This is the intrinsic pathway or blood vessel injury. This is the extrinsic pathway. This is the tissue factor. This whenever get injured, whenever blood vessel get injured, the factor 12 is aided by the phosphates. It becomes active phosphate, and factor 9 is also activated as factor 9. The inactivated factor 9 is activated as factor 9. The inactivated 10 is also comes to activated 10. This is the intrinsic pathway. Let us come to extrinsic pathway. This is the tissue factor. This is responsible for the thromboplastin that helps in inactivated 7th factor to activated 7th factor. This activated 7th factor helps in the inactivated 10 to activated 10 factor. This comes to the extrinsic pathway. Let us come to the common pathway. This activated 10 factor and prothrombin forms the thrombin. This thrombin with fibrinogen and factor 13 forms the fibrin, insoluble fibrin. This is the intrinsic and extrinsic pathway of hemostasis. Next comes to what are the functions of the platelets. Role in hemostasis, role in clot formation, role in clot retraction, role in repair of injured blood vessels, role in defense mechanism, transport and storage function. Role in hemostasis. Hemostasis means spontaneous arrest of bleeding from the injured blood vessels. Hemo means blood, stasis means stagnation. Vasoconstriction by 5-HT. 5-HT means 5-hydroxy, 5-hydroxytryptamine and other vasoconstrictor. Temporary hemostatic plug by platelets due to its property of adhesiveness and aggregation. Definite hemostasis, adhesiveness and aggregation. Definite hemostatic plug also initiated by the platelets. Role in clot formation. Play an important role in the formation of intrinsic prothrombin activator. Important. It is also responsible for the onset of blood clotting. Role in clot retraction. Contraction of contractile proteins, that is actin and myosin and thrombostatin, responsible for clot retraction and also wound healing. Role in aid of injured blood vessels. Platelet derivative growth factor. PDF means platelet derivative growth factor in cytoplasm of platelet, repair of endothelium. Next comes to role in defense mechanism. Due to the property of agglutination, platelets are capable of phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means engulfing the bacteria. Mainly in phagocytosis, the carbon particles and viruses and immune complexes. Transport and storage function. Platelets when passes through gastrointestinal tract takes 5-hydroxytryptamine against concentration gradient, stored and transported to the site of injury. What is the normal count and variations? Normal count is 1,50,000 to 4 lakh per cubic millimeter of blood. Average is 2.5 lakhs per cubic millimeter of blood. Physiological variations is age, less in infant and reaches adult level by 3 months of age. Sex is no difference but during menstruation reduced in females. Meals in meals increases after meals platelets. Muscle exercises increases platelets. High altitude also increases platelet levels. Stages, how the platelets are formed. Stages in production is 10 days. Megakaryoblast, promegakaryocyte, megakaryocyte. Sites is bone marrow stem cells, PHSC, colony forming units, megakaryocyte. These are the stages. This is the blast, megacytoblast, stem cells, megakaryoblast, promegakaryocyte, megakaryocyte comes to platelets. First one is megakaryoblast. Earlier recognizable cells, colony forming units, megakaryocyte differentiate from megakaryoblast. Diameter is 20 to 30 millimeters. Cytoplasm is small, blue and non-glandular. Nucleus is large, oval or kidney shaped. Next, promegakaryocyte. Megakaryoblast. Endo reduplication of nuclear chromatin. Nuclear chromatin replicates in multiple of 2 without division of cell. Large cell with 32 times diploid content of nuclear DNA is formed. Cytoplasm is granular. Next comes to megakaryocyte. Diameter is large cell with 30 to 90 millimeter in diameter. Nucleus is single multi-loaded. Cytoplasm is abundant with red purple granules. Cell margin is irregular with many pseudopodia which gets detached into blood and form platelets. 1 megakaryocyte is 4000. Lifespan of platelets is 8 to 12 days, average is 10 days, fate is destroyed by tissue macrophage system in spleen. It is destroyed in spleen. So, if spleen is not there, splenectomy is there, then the platelets count will be increases. If any splenomegaly occurs, that time also reduces the platelet count. The onset of formation of blood gland 50 to 20 seconds in severe trauma, 1 to 2 minutes in minor trauma. Thank you girls. That ends about the platelets. Hello. It is.